Here's how to play Among Us with friends. So first you need to launch the Among Us application, sign in if prompted, and after that you need to have your friend host a game. Your friend should tap on play and then online and then after create game, and they can adjust the game settings and tap on confirm. Once the game loads, they'll find a room code on the right hand side of the screen and they should tap on this copy icon over here and send it to you. And for you to join the game, select play and then select online, then select enter the code option and tap in the text box and paste the code that your friend sent you and then select join game from the bottom of the screen and you'll be done. So that's it. This is how you can play Among Us with your friends. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.